Hello, teacher.
I'm teacher Alex. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Alip. I'm 6. I'm Thôn.
Where are you
I'm
from?
from Vietnam.
That's very good. You ready for the test?
Yes.
Give me a high five. Back. Let's go. All right. Alice, first of all, let's talk about countries. Tell me what country is this?
Great Britain.
Great Britain. Very nice. What about this country? Egypt.
Egypt.
Very good. What country is that?
Mexico.
Mexico. Good. This one is?
Russia.
Russia. Very nice. What about this?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
From Vietnam. This is very good. Now, Alice, let's choose a superhero you want to talk about. Okay, Harley Quinn. Tell me about her.
She is my friend. She is heroin. She is 7. She is tall.
She
Is
is
small.
small. Very nice. Okay, let's choose one more superhero. Ooh. Let's choose again. Wonder Woman. Okay, tell me about her.
She is my friend. She
Is
is
one
what?
Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman.
She
She is 10. She is tall.
Okay, thank you very much. Ooh, thank you very much. Give me a high five. Goodbye, Alice.
Goodbye, teacher.